From all the other offers that you would have on this website, you can also get an additional $90 for simply signing up on all of these platforms. I make Bitcoin every single day automatically for absolutely free with very little work needed. I'm also going to show you a website that will allow you to make some extra cash for completing some very easy tasks. Now, this method is available worldwide. It doesn't take any previous experience or expertise. You don't have to be an expert in trading by any means in order to make this work. All you need to have is a Bitcoin wallet, and you can set that up regardless of where you live on Earth. And as you know, we like to keep things very simple here on the channel, so let's jump right into it. The website we're mainly going to use today is called earnbitcoin.io, but before you guys skip this video and take matters into your own hands, I have to tell you, if you don't have the patience to watch this video until the end and listen to my advice, you may end up making very little cash and wasting a lot of time on the website because the process may get a little bit confusing at times. And the first feature that I absolutely love about this website is the fact that they actually have a section that is entitled Learn Bitcoin, and you can take part in an educational process here and learn more about it. You can basically find out what Bitcoin is, you can learn more about the Bitcoin terminology and all that stuff, but I will let you guys discover this on your own. And instead, we are going to focus solely on making money on the website. Now, as you can see, they say that the current price of Bitcoin is this, but it's actually a little bit behind the actual price, so it may take a few hours for them to process. As you can see, Bitcoin is currently at $19,098, and it's a little bit more here, but it is going to eventually get updated. Now, as soon as you create an account on this platform, you will get 10,000 sats as a bonus, and that is just an incentive that these guys will give you for using their platform. Now, signing up is really straightforward and self-explanatory. You have to enter in an email address, a username, and a password. You don't even have to validate your email at first, and that is going to create your account and give you that bonus that we have talked about. Now, another thing that is really significant here is the fact that you can actually see the most recent payments that have been sent. And these are significant amounts of cash. You can see 100,000 sats, which equals about 0.001 Bitcoin. And that is not by any means a little amount. It's actually close to $20 that you can make for completing some very easy tasks. And you can also see the trending offers that are available this week and so on. But we are not going to go over all of the different features that they have because that would take a lot of our time. And we want to actually make money and not waste time on the website. And if you go over to the Earn section that you can see here, a full list of options will open up. As you can see, you have the daily free bonus faucet. Let's actually take a look at that and let's see what it's all about. Now, they briefly describe the process here, so you will come up to earnbitcoin.io and you will connect to the website daily, and that will give you an incentive. You'll view a short Bitcoin guide or Bitcoin promotion, you will click a link to visit the advertisement, and then you will have to take part in a roll to receive a random amount of Bitcoin, and you can earn up to 1 million sats. And that is quite something. That's about 190 US dollars. Now, I'm not giving you any guarantees that you will earn that amount of money, but you have a significant chance to do so. And let's actually demonstrate that. Right now, I'm going to illustrate my point and let you know how this process actually goes. Now, you will have to complete this CAPTCHA so that these guys can see you're a real user and it's not an automated software. And now, as they advise you here, you have to click the purple link in the tutorial advertisement to proceed. Now, that is up to you. I cannot guarantee that at all times this link will be secure, but most times it will be. And after you've done so, you can simply click on the green button that is called Continue to Claim Bitcoin, and let's see what happens. Now, all that's left for us to do is simply roll the dice and see what we got. And we were awarded these 52 sats. That's not too bad, but not too good either. And we have just claimed that. And you can come back to the website every 18 hours and do that process over again. Now, that is not a crazy amount of money, but doing that every single day will give you more chances of earning the big prize of 1 million sats. And remember, guys, this was just the first option of the entire list that they have. Let's actually go to the second option here that is called Complete Offers to Earn and see what it's all about. Now, as you can see, they've got different subsections here, such as Peanut Labs, AdWall, One Ads, and so on. These are separate websites that we have reviewed before on the channel, and these are also going to provide you with offers that you can complete in order to get some additional money. And if you want to start making money completing these offers, I advise you to actually focus on the free ones, because some of them actually require you to make a deposit in order to get these points, and I don't think that is worth it. And you can instead focus on the surveys and the different offers that you have here, such as watching ads and so on. Those are free to complete, require no investment, and are still going to be profitable. Moving on to the third section here that is called complete surveys to earn. Let's click on that and we will get redirected to a different section where we can see all the offers that they've got. Now, the fact that I love about this website is that it combines all of the other websites, so you don't need to create an account on all of them in order to generate money, and instead you can collect your earnings into this account. Moving on, taking a look at the list, you can also install apps to earn, and they've also got this really interesting and fun contest. Basically, the top 500 users that will rank up here will get an additional bonus. This is a typing contest, so you will only have to enter in data, and that's all it takes. Another really interesting feature that these guys have got on their website is their referral program. Basically, you will get a fat commission of 50% of your friends' faucet earnings, offer earnings, and service earnings. But additionally, you will also receive $1 in Bitcoin per friend you invite. And most importantly, your friend will also receive $1 for doing that. That means that if you were to share this referral link with your friends and they actually signed up on the platform, you will get $1 in Bitcoin and they will also get a bonus. Now, the easiest way to get some extra cash doing that is basically sharing this link on your Facebook, but I don't really think that will be too effective. Now, a few of your friends who are interested in making money online might actually click on that and sign up and start earning money here, but that will not give you too much. And what you can do instead is find Facebook groups that are interested in making money online. People who are spending their time in order to make some extra cash on these kinds of websites. And those people will be interested in signing up and earning $1 for absolutely free just for doing that. And imagine, guys, if 100 people actually sign up on this website and do nothing else, you will get $100. Guys, as you know, we always take things with a pinch of salt here on the channel, so I actually went ahead and tried this out. I asked one of my friends to create a new account using my affiliate or referral link, however you want to call it. And as you can see, in order to actually get a $1 bonus, they have to validate their account first by confirming their email, and they also have to withdraw. And just because the user has not withdrawn yet, I'm not able to collect the $1 bonus. So that means they actually have to start completing those offers on the website, get all the way up to 100,000 Satoshi, withdraw their money, and after that, they will be able to generate that $1 bonus for me as well. Now, that doesn't mean that the process is fake by any means, but it actually takes a little bit of time and is not instantaneous. Now, as you can see, in order to withdraw your money from your balance, the minimum withdrawal, the threshold, is at 100,000 sats. But once you get there, in order to withdraw your money, you can simply click on this icon here that displays your balance and enter in your Bitcoin address. Click the withdraw button after you have selected the amount, and that's all it takes. Having that in mind, I want you guys to actually try this out and see how well it does for you, because the results might vary from user to user, but you should still be able to make some profit.